Most people don't live. They simply exist. Our minds are constantly active, thinking, analyzing, judging, often disconnected from the present moment. The mind wanders. It pulls us far away from the here and now. It takes us into the past with regret or into the future with worry. It judges everything, ourselves, others, the world. It even judges time itself, the past, the present, and the future. We spend much of our lives in autopilot. Our bodies go through the motions, but our minds are elsewhere. The real problem begins when we stop living the present moment, when we're too busy looking back or too focused on what comes next. And modern life doesn't help. We're constantly connected. We move at frantic speeds. We try to do too many things at once. We live in a world of hyperconnection and multitasking. And as a result, we're often nowhere at all, not fully here, not fully there. Our attention is scattered, and we lose touch with reality. Technology, while useful, keeps us from switching off. It creates habits of dependence. It takes us out of the moment. And despite all this progress, people today are often more unhappy than they were 50 years ago. According to the World Health Organization, by 2030, depression could become the most widespread illness globally. Why? Because the fast pace of life, the endless to-do lists, and the constant mental pressure are wearing us down. Multitasking doesn't help. It actually reduces productivity by up to 40%. We work more, and yet we produce less. Trying to juggle too many things scatters our focus and drains our energy, undermining both our health and our happiness. A Harvard study revealed something powerful. Our minds wander almost 47% of the time, but people consistently report feeling happier when their minds are focused on what they're doing in the present moment. This tells us something crucial. Happiness is closely linked to our ability to be present. So how do we start living more fully in the now? With mindfulness. Mindfulness means paying attention with intention, in the present moment, and without judgment. It's a skill we can train. Mindfulness helps us return to the here and now. It teaches us to observe our experience moment by moment. There are two main ways to practice mindfulness, formally and informally. Formal practice means setting aside time each day, sitting in silence, focusing on the breath, noticing sensations, emotions, and sounds, simply observing without reacting. Informal practice doesn't follow strict rules. It's about bringing awareness into daily life, paying attention while eating, walking, taking a shower, driving, or doing housework. All those things we usually do on autopilot, now done with awareness. Over time, we start to see something important. Thoughts come and go. They're not facts, and we are not our thoughts. Mindfulness helps us notice our negative thought patterns before they take over, before they drag us down. It gives us the power to pause, to choose, to reclaim control over our lives. So let's return to the breath, to the body, to the present. This is where life happens. This is where peace begins.